going to review the Master Lock 1500 ID toggle speed dial. Here it is, front and back in the packaging. You got to cut the back panel off to get the directions and also to get your code for what was originally set at the factory for a combination on this. So you pull it out and there's your directions. So here's the correct way to open it. Maintain pressure on the toggle switch and your master lock will open every time. There's been a lot of reviews on how this thing's worked 5 out of 7 times, but actually if you do it correctly, it'll open every time you do it, and that is by maintaining pressure on the dial. Don't lift your finger off, because when you do that, it loses track of where you are. So here it is, how not to do it. So I press the button, and then see how I'm lifting my finger off? It won't open. Again, maintain your pressure on the dial when you want it to open, because if you don't, as you can see here, it doesn't open. And that's where a lot of the complaints are coming from. Now I'm going to show you how to reset your master lock 1500 ID. On the back, there's a little switch, and it's covered when you buy it. So take the label off of the lock. And then what you do once you get the label off is you get a pen or whatever, and you switch the switch into the up position. Make sure the lock is open, though, when you do that. So I switched it up, like so. And then put the lock in, squeeze it twice, once, twice, and open it. And what you do is you turn it over, you program in whatever combination you did. I did a simple up and down because that makes it easy to keep the pressure on the center of the switch, which is the key into opening it every time. Then you turn it over, flip your switch back down to lock. I'll show you open it, clear it, once, twice, up, opens. So this is the Master Lock 1500 ID. If you use it correctly, it opens every time.